Okay, we have been using automatic posting transactions using this OBYC key, but we have not discussed in detail how this OBYC table works. Remember, or the menu path for this is here, so I'm going to explain that now. Over here, valuation account assignment, account determination with a wizard, configure automatic postings, and when you cancel and then come to account assignment, you will come to this OBYC, the same table where you can launch directly by using this key OBYC T code. The T code is OBYC here. So I'm going to explain to you how this OBYC is linked to the GL account and the actual transactions. It's very simple. Let us open up a purchase order. Oh, sorry, ME23 N. Sorry, ME23N. Go to conditions, just click on a condition type and display condition record. Sorry, not here. Okay, wait, let me just see whether I can use this or not. That. Alright, this button here. Okay, highlight this. Wait, let me just choose this. Okay, let me create a new one. ME21N. ME21N. I'm trying to show you something. Just be patient with me. Go to conditions and try to enter this ZOB customs value and then go to zoom. Alright, you can see this account determination and for price. Okay, you see this? When we enter the customs value, it shows the account key. Account determination is here, FRE. FRE stands for freight, and the accruals shown as FR3. Okay, so using these two details here, if you come here to OBYC, you will know that for this amount the system will use this key FR3 to actually determine the GL account to be posted to. Alright, see this FR3 FR3. This is how the dollar value of the purchase order or the invoice or whatever it may be is linked to the GL account to be posted to via the transaction key FR3, and this can be specified for each and every condition type. Let me show you how this can be specified. Let me copy this. Let me go to condition type. Okay, I'm going to go to SPRO. Go to material management. Go to purchasing. Go to conditions. Go to price determination. Go to condition types. Find condition type. And copy this and position it, double click on it. Okay, the way how system assigns this transaction key FR3 to this condition type is because of this condition category B. When you have assigned B to this condition type, which is also shown here, delivery cost, the system will automatically assign this key here. Okay, this is predefined by the system depending on what you choose here. Let me just check others. Let's say you choose discount, or okay, let's look at the freight. FRA1 is also using delivery cost. Let me just choose, it's also delivery cost. Let me just choose something else. Let me just choose discount, percentage, O1RP. Let me just go to here. I'm going to choose O1RP, enter. But it's not defined this pricing procedure, default pricing procedure. So let me choose something else. Okay, let's look at prepayment. Not prepayment, sorry. Okay, let's look at taxes. Okay, this is using condition category D. So let me try to use MDLST. No condition record found for this, cannot be used as well. So let me use what I'm trying to show you is that based on the selection here, condition category, the system will try to assign a different account transaction key here. Okay, over here. So based on that, based on this transaction key, the system will retrieve the associated GL account from this OBYC table, because each transaction key should be linked to a GL account, so that the system can decide which GL account to post the information to. Okay, I just found out something. Rather than checking here in the purchase order level, okay, there's another place where we can check the account key. Let me take you to this place here. It is still under the conditions here, under materials management, purchasing conditions, define price determination process. Remember, we were here earlier. Just go to calculation schema here and look at this RM000. Remember, when we entered a condition type here which does not link to this pricing procedure, this is, I'll show it to you again. It says this condition is missing pricing procedure RM0000. So it is referring to this. I'll show you why out of all this pricing procedure it's only looking at this. It is because it is configured to do so under the define schema determination. If you come here, we go to the last option here. It is, sorry, not here, define, schema determination. Choose this first option, standard purchase orders. You can see here RM000 has been defined for all the purchasing organization and vendor groups. These two is purchasing organization, vendor group, because we can specify a different pricing procedure based on the group of vendors and purchasing organization. But in this case, since these two is empty, as long as the pricing procedure is concerned, this pricing procedure will be used for all the purchasing organization and group of vendors. Okay, we want to be more specific to our purchasing organization NY, New York. You can create a new entry here and put New York here, and then assign a different pricing procedure for purchasing organization NY. That can be done. But as long as it's empty, it's not defined specifically, it will use the default entry which is RM0000. So based on this, the system knows which pricing procedure to look at, okay, for the condition type. But that's not what I wanted to explain. I wanted to explain how to find the transaction key. Just go here and go to control data. Okay, from here you look at this account key and accruals. So these two are the one which directly link to OBIC table. So when I come here, I can see all the OBIC entries here for each and every condition type. Like our ZOB1, where we used to post the delivery costs, is linked to FRE, FR3. So this can be changed if you want to. The ones which cannot be changed is left empty. These are system defined. There's no way you can change to some other entry here. So this is already linked to, like for example, PB00 is already linked to the BSX account key. So this cannot be changed to something else. Okay. So if I want to post a value using this condition type in my purchase order, I have to define a GL account to this key here in OBIC. Let me show you. Let me take you to OBIC. I look for B01, which is this. Okay, B01. and I need to specify a GL account for this. Only then I can use this condition type in the purchase order. Otherwise, when I do the my row, the system will say the GL account is not maintained. Okay, I can use this. Alright, it's also missing the pricing procedure. Rebates. Alright, let's end the topic here.